Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some goodies to show you today from EveryDayECrafts. They were of course kind enough to send me some diamond paintings. So I'm going to start with the one at the back. I never know which one to start with. Part of me just wants to rip them all open and have a look at them all. But we'll start with this one because I think I may have taken a peek so that I could figure out which company this package was from. Oh, yes, I think I did. This one has some gorgeous blues. I love blues. But this is a 30 by 30. And look at that. Confetti heaven. Even the background is confetti. So if you've just been doing a very blocky diamond painting, then this one will break you out of that blockiness for sure. Let me just get it to flatten. So this is a gorgeous vase of flowers in blue. It is a 30 by 30. It has 21 different colours and it does come with DMC numbers. The finish size is 24 by 24. But look how much detail it's got really for a 24 by 24 painting. It does come with a toolkit, a float wax pen. And look at these colours. Trying to make sure those greens, but we've got some pops of pink. Pinky purple. We do have a little bit of pink down here and a little bit of turquoise, but then look at all those blues, and it comes in baggies as well, which I really like. But yeah, gorgeous. It's amazing how just, you know, those little pops of pink and purple about just really stand out in the vase. And even the background is multiple different shades. It's not a block background. In fact, your biggest block is probably here with the L, that even you don't have that at the bottom, you just have this block here. That's the biggest piece of blockiness that you're going to have. The rest is confetti central. So I think when I work on this one, I'm thinking bigger sections so that I'm not tipping diamonds in and out as often. But I think that's going to look really nice when done. Pretty sure that's going into my stash. Okay, number 2. Oh, this one also looks to be open, though I'm not sure if that was me. I don't think I'd have the need to open 2 to figure out who it's from. No, I didn't open this one. Because I forgot I got this one. But this one does have a lot of a background. It's not 310. It is 939. But the image, it just needs that really dark background with the astronaut popping out. So if you've got know anybody that likes the likes of the solar system or just space themes in general, Megan's a very big fan of space type things. It's a 30 by 40. They may have got away with this as a 30 by 30. If you wanted to do less of the background, but it is 25 centimetres by 34.5. It comes with 20 colours and it does have DMC numbers, just uses letters as the symbols. But look how, I mean, the spaceman, if you have a look closer, it does have purples and pinks and greens in with this shading around, but as soon as you go back it looks like a spaceman, like it's supposed to. You do get a toolkit, float wax pen. Let's have a look at some of the colours. I do like this sort of yellowy colours. There's a couple of different colours in there. You do get a lot of 939 because it is for the background, so this is all 939. So there is 3 bags of it there. Is there any more? And there's one of them there as well. But there is quite a bit of the background, but you do get some really deep purples, some greys, blue. Look at those blues as well, that'll help make up around where he's sticking his head out. A few more different types of blues. That's some more 939. Got the orange and the peach. Some more peaches, which will make up that mustard type colour. Some blues and some reds. Me likes. It just stood out. I often find that there's many paintings that I like that do have black backgrounds and even white backgrounds, and I think it is just the way they're quite striking in the way that they stand out, and I think that's the reason I also, you know, have sort of just enjoy doing block colours sometimes. I like to mix it up. So on this painting there is a lot of the block colour down here, but then here is it's got a bit more shading in it, and then there's a lot more here. So I would probably start this painting possibly still in the bottom corner, doing a lot of that 939 until I felt like need a bit of a change, and maybe I'd fill in some of the gaps. But then I'd be tempted to move to the top and do a lot of the 939 and then move either up or down and do all this part afterwards. Just because I like to bring a picture to life nearer the end of a painting than at the beginning. But gorgeous nonetheless. And then last but by no means least, this one has definitely not been opened, so let's get some scissors on this one so I can get in the bag. Are you gonna, there we go. I thought it didn't want to come out the bag then. So last but by no means least, we have this amazing dragon, and this one is in crystals. So this background here where you can see it says 456, that is all done quite often in the same colour crystal but in 3 different sizes, and I will check when I open it up of course, but it is a 30 by 40. To measure the diamond painting area is actually 24 by 34. Look at that eye. You do get a toolkit, boat wax pen, and then let's have a look at some of these colours. So let's figure out, where do we start? Let's start here. So we've got some black, yellows and pinks and purples and greens and more pinks, orange, and then we've got some what looks like it's more of a brown rhinestone. We've got some gold ones, big purple, big gold and big sort of silver diamonds. We've then got some big red, and this is your background. So if we get rid of that one, because we've actually got 2 of them, you basically, all the background will be blue in the small crystal, the medium crystal and the big one, and it's a really, really amazing effect. I was hoping the battery would hold out on me for just the last little bit of that, but it didn't. Anyway, today's selection, we have the gorgeous dragon, the spaceman, and of course the bouquet or vase of flowers really. So I'll pop links to all of these down below for you to either pick one of these up or of course just go for a browse, because that's allowed too. But thank you so much to EveryDayECrafts for letting me choose some of these items to share with you all, and I'll speak to you all again soon.